What's up, guys? In this video I will show you how to choose the right DriveTeam's pricing plan in order to be less cheap on the road, and to help you have all the tools you need with this DriveTeam's package. Okay, for those of you who don't know what DriveTeams are, please check the other videos on my channel and you will see what DriveTeams is. In short words, I will tell you here that DriveTeams is a package which helps you to create your website easily and faster, and is client oriented. Okay, it makes you easier the task to attract more leads and change your visitors into potential customers. So DriveTeams gives you access to a lot of plugins for WordPress that gives you the opportunity to build more professionally your website or your blog, even if you are new on this area, and is very intuitive. So please check my other videos on this channel. I will leave you a link into description about what DriveTeams is. Okay, so now let's dive in and see how you can choose the right DriveTeams pricing plan, because if you are not careful, you can make the mistake to pay much more money for a service, and I want to show you how to avoid that. Okay, so let's dive in into my computer and see what it's all about. So as you can see here, I'm into DriveTeam's website. Okay, here you can see all the benefits for this tool, which help you to create awesome landing pages, to edit your articles, to build your pages, and to get leads and much more. So once you are here, you will see this button, become a DriveTeams member. Also here you will see our products. If you go here, you will see that this DriveTeams is containing these programs, okay, which can be achieved separately. Okay, you can buy this one by one, or you can buy all of them for a monthly, a quarterly, or annually subscription. Okay, so you have here all the tools you need to manage and create your website. You have DriveTeam Builder, Drive Architect, Drive Quiz Builder, and so on. And I want to show you how to make your decision to buy smart this DriveTeams package. Okay, so let's say you want to buy this DriveTeam Builder, okay, which help you visually create your WordPress websites, your pages, gives you landing pages, and so on. If you click here, you will see the presentation of this DriveTeam Builder, some videos, some details about this, and if you scroll down until the bottom, you will see that you can buy this DriveTeam Builder for $19 per month, or you can pay annually $228. So it's very expensive just for this. And here you can see that if you want to choose DriveTeam Builder, just this plugin, you will have access to 5 licenses for $127, one license for $97, and here is the deal I wanted to talk about with you. If you buy all the DriveTeam's package for just $90 per month, and annually you have this price. So what I recommend you to do is not to buy individually this set of tools like I showed you before. I'm going here on our products. Even though let's say you will need Drive Team Builder and Drive Architect, which lets you intuitive drag and drop editor for WordPress when you create your articles. I assure you that if you want to make money with your website or your blog, you will need all these tools. This Drive Quiz Builder for better engagement, this Drive Leads for collecting emails and making email marketing, Drive membership, Drive Ovation, Drive Comments, Drive Optimize, Drive Ultimatum, and Drive Apprentice, even when you want to create your own online courses. Okay, so what I recommend you in this area is to choose the DriveTeam's membership, which gives you access to all these features all the time. Okay, and for a lesser pricing plan, okay, just $19 every month. You can pay monthly, quarterly, or annually. So in order to do that, I recommend you to choose this Drive membership, get access to all plugins and themes, and you will go here on Join Now. You click here and you see that you can select from yearly and quarterly. Yearly you will pay $90 per month, so you will be billed annually for just $228 every year, and you have access to all these plugins. You have access to DriveTeam Builder. You can install this DriveTeam membership on up to 25 websites. You have unlimited support, unlimited updates, and best possible price. So you should select this option because it's less cheaper for you, and you have access to all these features, and they will help you on your web design career. Okay, no matter what your goals are. You can select to pay quarterly every 4 months, and you will pay $30 per month. Also, you will have access to all of this, but as you can see here, DriveTeam says that you can save 36% with yearly billing. So in this case, if you decide to buy DriveTeams and work with them, which I recommend you to do because I work with them since 2 years ago, and I'm so happy and satisfied by his services. I recommend you to choose yearly plan. You will be more than satisfied, and you will pay less money. Okay, so you go here, become a DriveTeam member today, and you will proceed to checkout. Step 1, fill these options here: your email, your first and last name, password, country, address, city, state, zip, postal code, and you will pay with PayPal. Okay, so you will need a PayPal account. If you don't know how to make one, it's very easy. You go and search some tutorials on YouTube about how to create a PayPal account, but it's very intuitive. You just go on paypal.com and you follow the steps, and you will pay $271.32 with this VAT tax, depending which is your country from where you buy this service. Okay, Once you get this, you will have access to all products. You will have access to a lot of tutorials. Also, if you need help, you can contact me, and I will give you all the informations about how to use all the tools. Is very simple, and it's a very necessary service for you. Okay, so remember, when you go on DriveTeams, you will have to select our products and this Drive membership, get access to all plugins and themes. Okay, or you can go on the home page and select this become a DriveTeams member, and once you get here, it will open this page and you select join now, and you select this become a Drive member today. This is the best deal for you guys. I want to be very careful. Don't choose plugins individually for this package, even though you think now that you will not need the rest of other plugins. You will need you. I will guarantee you that you will need this. So select this package and become a Drive member today. Also, in my other tutorials on this channel, you will see details about how to manage and work with each of DriveTeam's plugins, which are shown here: DriveTeam Builder, Drive Architect, and so on. There is a lot of tutorials even on their website, but on my page you will see day by day that I will post videos about tutorials, and I want to help you guys understand better how to use these products, okay, on your websites. I remember you that I use this service. I know what I'm talking about. It's a very good choice and a very cheap one, but very professionally for you to create an awesome website and starting making money online very easy. Okay, I will leave you a link with this um, promotion on the description of this video. Please check it out and go here, select this plan, and you will see that is the best deal you can make. So I wanted to make this video in order to clarify you how to choose the best subscription for DriveTeam's pricing plan. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it, give a like to this video, comment below your questions, or if you need more help about understanding how to create your website, I will happily help you. Okay, I will respond every comment, and please check out the description of this video. You will see the link with the promotion to this a DriveTeam membership package. Okay, so you will benefit to this $19 per month. Okay, so that's it guys for today. I hope that it's more easy for you now to choose the best pricing plan for DriveTeams. Remember, if you don't know what DriveTeams is, please check out this page. Check out my other tutorials about DriveTeams. I showed you there the benefits of DriveTeams. I explained there what DriveTeams is and how you can use them. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to stay in touch with me. Subscribe to my channel. Here you will find all the tutorials, tools, and advices about how to easily and fast create your website and make it look professional, optimized, and help you make money on the road, no matter what your goals are with the website. Okay, so that's being said, I wish you all the best, and for all the questions, feedbacks, or help you need, leave me a comment below and I will respond. Bye bye.